The cheapest IT model can send the most expensive interruption to someone else's desk. Finance feels it when invoice approvals freeze. Support feels it when the same login ticket returns every Monday. Operations feels it when a workstation blocks production reporting before shipping cutoff. Break-fix work often runs between $150 and $250 per hour, but the real cost is not always on the repair invoice. It shows up as waiting, rework, emergency approvals, and uncertainty. As Nuvodia CEO Sean Harrell says, reliable IT should give your team fewer surprises, clearer support expectations, and more time to run the business. Break-fix support can make sense for a one-time device issue, but it becomes limiting when the same printer, VPN, email, login, or workstation issue keeps coming back. If every ticket is treated as separate, no one owns the pattern. Managed services take a different approach by making IT support planned, measured, and owned. Infrastructure monitoring, email, security, backup, and disaster recovery, and help desk support all sit in one operating view. This means clearer ticket ownership, routine attention for systems, continuous security visibility, intentional backup planning, and leadership conversations that connect budget, risk, and business goals. The decision should come from evidence inside your business. Review recurring tickets, map downtime to workflows, check security exposure, clarify response expectations, and plan onboarding realistically. If your current IT model is creating delayed approvals, recurring access tickets, backup uncertainty, or avoidable work, it may be time to look at a more predictable path. Read the full article to learn how to compare break-fix support with managed services and add this to your Spotify playlist.